Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Chem 3D Mind Catalyst. And today we are continuing our stoichiometry. So this is stoichiometry part 2 and we are discussing a very important topic, limiting reagent. इसका क्वेश्चन हर स्कूल हर एग्जाम there is chance of almost 99% this concept question will be there. So let us write a question and understand what is meant by limiting reagent. We are again given question, 10 gram hydrogen reacts with 10 gram oxygen. 10 gram hydrogen reacts with 10 gram oxygen. Find mass of water produced. 10 gram hydrogen reacts with 10 gram oxygen. Find mass of water produced. कि अभी तक in the last class there was we have to calculate mass of product but we are given mass of one reactant only. But यहाँ पे we are given both the reactants. Now let us suppose in this reaction hydrogen पहले ही खत्म हो जाए and we are left with oxygen. एक रिएक्टेंट हाइड्रोजन पूरी यूज हो गई एंड वी आर लेफ्ट विथ ऑक्सीजन. तो क्या आगे वाटर प्रोड्यूस होगा? वाटर प्रोडक्शन के लिए बोथ हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन आर रिक्वायर्ड बट हाइड्रोजन फिनिशेस फर्स्ट, इसलिए आगे वाटर की प्रोडक्शन भी रुक जाएगी या वाइस वर्सा हो जाए और हाइड्रोजन लेफ्ट रह जाए एंड ऑक्सीजन पूरी यूज हो जाए. कि जो रिएक्टेंट एक रिएक्शन में पहले ही खत्म हो जाएगा, द रिएक्टेंट विच कंप्लीट्स विच इज यूज्ड इन द रिएक्शन कंप्लीटली इज नोन एज लिमिटिंग रिएजेंट. कि अगर हाइड्रोजन पहले खत्म हो जाएगी वी विल से हाइड्रोजन इज लिमिटिंग रिएजेंट. ऑक्सीजन पहले खत्म हो जाएगी वी विल से ऑक्सीजन इज लिमिटिंग रिएजेंट. एंड द मास ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट, नोट इट, मेक इट अ स्टार, मास ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट इज कैलकुलेटेड विद रिस्पेक्ट टू लिमिटिंग रिएजेंट. जो लिमिटिंग रिएजेंट होगा मास ऑफ प्रोडक्ट विल डिपेंड, वी विल कैलकुलेट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू लिमिटिंग रिएजेंट. बाकी एक और एग्जांपल, छोटे से एग्जांपल से हम समझते हैं कि आई हैव 3 मार्कर्स एंड 4 कैप्स. सो आई हैव टू मेक कंप्लीट मार्कर सेट. So one marker with 1 cap, another marker, the second marker with 2nd cap. Similarly, third marker goes with 3rd cap, but I have been left with 1 cap. जो बच गया that is excessive reagent. कि 3 मार्कर थे, we have been able to form 3 marker set, but markers caps were in excess, so we are left with 1 marker cap. तो जो पहले खत्म हो जाए, markers finished first, so we will say markers were the limiting reagent. Now how to solve the questions? How to solve the questions of limiting reagent? तो पहले हम क्वेश्चन करते हैं लिमिटिंग रिएजेंट in terms of moles. In terms of moles. Suppose we are given question 5 moles of oxygen reacts with 4 moles oxygen. 5 moles of hydrogen reacts with 4 moles oxygen. Find limiting reagent and moles of water produced. So again, for the stoichiometry, first write balanced chemical equation. H2 plus O2 gives H2O, 2H2, 2H2O. We are given 5 moles of hydrogen and 4 moles oxygen. So how to find limiting reagent? How to find limiting reagent? What we have to do? Just we have to divide moles by stoichiometric coefficient. Divide moles by stoichiometric coefficient for each given reactant. And the less answer, जिसका आंसर कम आ रहा होगा, लेस आंसर इज लिमिटिंग रिएजेंट. कि 5 मोल्स हाइड्रोजन, 4 मोल्स ऑक्सीजन. कि हाइड्रोजन के मोल्स ज्यादा गिवन है, बट वी विल डिवाइड 5 बाय इट्स स्टोइचियोमेट्रिक कोफिशिएंट. 4 moles of oxygen by its stoichiometric coefficient. So it is 2.5, it is 4. The less answer is limiting reagent. The less answer is hydrogen. So we will say hydrogen is the limiting reagent of the reaction. सिंपल वर्ड्स में, सिंपल मीनिंग में क्या है कि एज पर इक्वेशन हाइड्रोजन के 2 मोल्स, द 2 मोल्स ऑफ हाइड्रोजन रिएक्ट्स विद 1 मोल ऑक्सीजन. 2 moles हाइड्रोजन रिक्वायर्स 1 मोल ऑक्सीजन. तो 5 moles हाइड्रोजन को कितनी ऑक्सीजन चाहिए? The half of the moles of hydrogen. That is 5 moles requires 2.5 moles, but we are given 4 moles oxygen. If we require only 2.5 moles, but we are given 4 moles of oxygen, so oxygen will be left behind. So we will say hydrogen is limiting reagent. So this is how we will calculate limiting reagent. And after knowing the limiting reagent, we will calculate the moles of water produced. So we will relate कि hydrogen is limiting reagent. So we will relate moles of hydrogen and moles of water. Moles of hydrogen by 2, moles of water by 2. And how many initially moles of hydrogen? 5 moles. So we will use initial moles. कि 5 divided by 2 is equal to moles of water divided by 2. So 2 cancels. We are having 5 moles of hydrogen. And how we calculated limiting reagent? We divided 5 by 2 and 4 by 1. Hydrogen and oxygen, and less answer is limiting reagent. So hydrogen is the limiting reagent. So make the notes, take the screenshot, and then we are going to do one more example in terms of moles. In general form also question is given. Suppose our reactant is A3B4C2 and we are given 3 moles of B reacts with 2 moles C and 5 moles of A. Find limiting reagent. क्या reaction is given, not reaction, product is given, and we have to form the equation. So we have to write a balanced chemical equation 3A, 4B, 2C, and we are given 3 moles of B reacts with 2 moles C and 5 moles A. So find how to find limiting reagent. Divide moles by stoichiometric coefficient. 5 by 3 given moles, 3 by 4 and 2 by 2. These are the given moles: 5 moles, 3 moles, 2 moles, and now we have to, this is 1.66, this is 0.75, and this is 1. Which is the limiting reagent? B is the limiting reagent. So don't go on the data of the question. कि देखने में कार्बन सबसे कम, सॉरी C is given the least quantity, but the limiting reagent is B, क्योंकि उसके एक साथ 4 मोल यूज होते हैं. It is used in high quantity, so it is going to used first. So that is why B is the limiting reagent. So this is limiting reagent in terms of moles, and now we are going to solve question in terms of mass. Okay, how to solve the question in terms of mass? So we are coming back onto the initial question. 10 gram hydrogen reacts with 10 gram oxygen. So find mass of water produced. कैसे करना है? Again write a balanced chemical equation. H2 plus O2 gives H2O, 2, 2. So 10 gram hydrogen, 10 gram oxygen. But we will approach the same moles. First we will find moles of hydrogen and moles of oxygen. Moles of hydrogen, moles is equal to given mass by molar mass. 10 gram hydrogen reacts with 10 gram oxygen, so moles of hydrogen 10 by 2, and the molar mass of oxygen is 32. So hydrogen moles 5 and oxygen moles 0.31. So limiting reagent, divide moles by stoichiometric coefficient. So now hydrogen is in more quantity, oxygen is in less quantity, so we will say oxygen is the limiting reagent. Oxygen is the limiting reagent. So now we will relate oxygen, moles of oxygen and moles of water to calculate production of water. So moles of oxygen by 1 equal to moles of water by 2. This is mole ratio. And we have moles of water, oxygen 0.31 divided by 1 is equal to moles of water by 2. So we will get moles of water 0.31 into 2, 0.62 moles. And after this, we will calculate mass of water. The moles is equal to given mass by molar mass. So mass is equal to moles into molar mass. 0.62 into 18. So from here, we will calculate the mass of the water produced. So this is a very important limiting reagent in terms of mass, and this comes in 3 marks. This question comes in 3 marks. So make the notes, take the screenshot, and then we are going to do one more example. That is the solved example of, not solved example, we will do a back exercise question number 24 of NCERT. And that is question in terms of one more famous reaction, ammonia. 1 into 10 raised to power 3 gram hydrogen reacts with 2 into 10 raised to power 3 gram nitrogen. Calculate mass of ammonia produced. This is NCERT question. (24). The reaction is nitrogen and hydrogen reacts to form ammonia. Balancing 2NH3 3H2 2000 ग्राम नाइट्रोजन. बस वैल्यूज डिजिट्स थोड़ी बड़ी हो गई, बाकी कॉन्सेप्ट सेम चलेगा. फर्स्ट वी विल कैलकुलेट मोल्स. मोल्स ऑफ नाइट्रोजन गिवन मास बाय, मोल्स इज इक्वल टू गिवन मास बाय मोलर मास. So first we will calculate moles. 2000 by nitrogen molar mass 28. 1000 divided by 6. Sorry. 1000 divided by only molar mass. यही कंफ्यूजन हो जाती है एग्जाम्स में, इसलिए टेक वन अप्रोच. Standard, I wrote here standard mass used in the reaction, but we have to use only molar mass, so that will become 500, and this will become 14,507. So 749 71.4. And to find limiting reagent, what we will do? Moles by stoichiometric coefficient. Moles by stoichiometric coefficient. So this, by 1. So this will remain as 71.4 and this will come as 166.6 moles. So which is the limiting reagent? We will write in bold nitrogen is limiting reagent. बिल्कुल साफ साफ दिखना चाहिए which is the limiting reagent. Nitrogen is the limiting reagent. And then moles of ammonia. So we will relate ammonia with the limiting reagent. Moles of nitrogen. Again we will write mole ratio equation. Moles of nitrogen divided by 1 equal to moles of ammonia divided by 2. So we have initial moles of nitrogen 71.4 into 2 will give moles of ammonia, that will come as 142.8 moles, and then we will convert it into mass. So mass of ammonia is equal to moles multiplied by molar mass. So 142.8 into ammonia molar mass 14 plus 3 17. So this will be our answer. And there can be one more part in the question. Calculate mass of excessive reagent left. Mass of excessive reagent left, used and left. So which is excessive reagent? Hydrogen is excessive reagent. How we will calculate mass of the excessive reagent? So we will use mole ratio of ammonia and mole ratio of hydrogen. Mole 1 by mole ratio of nitrogen by hydrogen 1 by 3. So now we will calculate moles of hydrogen used. When we will relate the excessive reagent with limiting reagent, we will calculate moles of hydrogen used. We will not use 500 moles. We will calculate moles of hydrogen used. So ammonia is 71.4 divided by 3. So 71.4 into 3 gives moles of hydrogen used. That will come as 21.4 moles. This is moles of hydrogen used, and then we will convert into mass. 214.2 into 2 gives 428.4 gram. This mass of hydrogen is used and mass of hydrogen left is equal to 1000 जो initial given था minus 428.4, that will become 571.4 gram. This is the mass of hydrogen left. This is the concept of limiting reagent. Make the notes, take the screenshot. So hope it is clear to you. So practice limiting reagent again and again. फिर से कह रहा हूँ, it will definitely come in your exam. A very important topic. So make notes, watch video again and again, and do subscribe and share this video. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, bye.